Hello students, hope you have understand what you have learned in our previous class. Do you remember that we have learned how to represent root under 4.3 geometrically, and today in this class we will learn the representation of root 2, root 3 and root 5 on the number line. Now see, for this what we have to do, we will consider the number line, okay, and mark a point O on it. What we have to do, we will consider the number line and mark a point O on it and let it represents 0, and this point represents what? 0. Let A represent 1. This A represent 1 on the number line. So here OA is equals to 1. At A, draw AB perpendicular to OA. And what we have to do, at OA, we will draw what? AB perpendicular to OA. So here, from here we will draw what? AB perpendicular to OA. So for drawing the perpendicular, let us follow the step which we know. Okay, so for this here we will draw like this, first arc and second arc. After that we will draw a perpendicular that we know how to draw. Is that okay? So here this one, this AB is equals to, here this AB is perpendicular to what? This AB is perpendicular to OA. Okay, now here we have AB. This one is our B. We will take as B. So here AB is equals to OA is equals to 1. It means here AB is equals to OA is equals to 1. So you take this distance OA and here AB, this one. Is that okay? So this here OA is equals to AB is equals to how much? 1. AB is equals to AA is equals to 1. Now see, here if we will use the Pythagoras theorem, just you think, if we will use the Pythagoras theorem, then what? Here this one is OA is 1, this AB is 1. So this, if we will draw, we will join this one. What? We will join what? OB. What we have to do? We will join here OB. Okay, this we will join. Now using Pythagoras theorem, just you see here OA square, okay, plus AB square is equals to OB square. So root 1 square plus root 1 square is equals to how much? Root 1 plus 1 is equals to how much? Root 2. So what we have to do, we will take O as center. We will take O as center and radius as what? OB. Radius as OB. Can you see this? O as center and radius as OB. Draw a circle cutting the number line at A1 like this. This one is cutting at A1. Okay, this one is cutting at A1. Okay, so here OA1 is equals to OA1 is equals to OB is equals to how much? Root 2. So we can say that here A1, this A1 point represents what? Root under 2 on a number line. Okay, now we will draw what? A1, B1 perpendicular to the number line at A1. Now here from A1, okay, now draw A1, B1. From here, we will draw A1, B1 on a number line, and similarly, we will cut an arc of 1 unit and we will be able to find what? Root 3. Is that okay? Now see, from here again, we will draw a perpendicular. Okay, from here, we will follow the same step like this and we will draw a perpendicular A1, B1. Now see, we will draw a perpendicular A1, B1. Now see this very carefully. See, this is very important questions and every time you will get one questions of this type. Now see, here again you draw what? Again you draw what? A1 and B1. Okay, so again you take same distance, 1 unit. So you take like this OA, okay, and you cut an arc. Is that okay? You cut an arc. So this one is what? B1. And again what we have to do, you join this one OB1. Now what you have to do, you join this one like this, okay? And again what you have to do, again you take O as center, OB1 as radius, and draw the same thing like this. You take this, okay, and you draw an arc, okay? So this one is how much? A2. This one is what? A2. This part is your A2. Is that okay? And this one is how much? Root 3. Is that okay? Because you know the value of root 2 is how much? 1.41, and root 3 is how much? 1.732. Similarly, you from A2 you draw an arc, okay? You draw perpendicular how much? A2 B2. Okay, then you will be able to get the value of how much? Root 4, that is 2. From that one again you continue the same step and you draw A3 B3. Okay, and you will be able to get the value of root 5. Is that okay? Do you understand this part? Now we will see the steps of construction. What we have to do? We will see the steps of construction of this one. So how we have done. Now let me repeat once again what we have done. We have taken what? A line segment, okay, and with O we have drawn OA 1 unit, okay? So from A we have drawn a perpendicular. From perpendicular then we have joined OB. So this becomes how much? This is OA1, AB1. So OB is equals to how much? Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. So this we got root 2. After that from A1 we have drawn A1 B1 perpendicular to this one, this line OA1. So again we got the value of how much? What? Root 3. And similarly you follow the step, you will be able to get the value of root 5 also. Now let us see the steps of construction. Now let us see the steps how we have done. We have considered the number line and mark a point O on it and let it represent 0. After that, let A represent 1 on the number line, so OA is equals to 1. At A, draw AB perpendicular to OA. Let AB is equals to OA is equals to 1. You remember now how we have done just now? So by using Pythagoras theorem here, we got OB is equals to how much? Root 1 square plus 1 square, that is root 2. Again taking O as center and radius OB is equals to root 2, draw a circle cutting the number line at A1, where OA1 is equals to OB is equals to how much? Root 2. After that, A1 represents root 2 on the number line. Now draw A1 B1 perpendicular to the number line at A1 and let A1 B1 is equals to 1. So here OB1 is equals to OA1 square plus A1 B1 square. So root 2 square plus 1 square, 2 plus 1 is equals to root 3. So similarly by following the same step, we will be able to get the value of root 4, that is 2, and root 5. Hope you have understand this. This is the one method of drawing, and for drawing root 2, root 3 and root 5 there is another method also that we will discuss in the next class. So till then, stay safe, stay happy and have a good day.